Apimondia, the International Federation of Beekeeping Associations, was originally planned to be held in Russia this year. The Russian delegation did a phenomenal job on Apimondia 2017 in Turkey, showing the beauty and the rich beekeeping culture of Russia to win the bid to hold Apimondia in Russia this year. I was super excited to finally go to Russia for the first time. I even did a short video about it. But unfortunately, Mr. Putin has other plans for the world. Before we continue talking about my plans and Apimondia, I just want to say very quickly how grateful I am for the 15,000 subscribers milestone that we reached this week. I am so happy to see the channel growing and more people interested in honeybee research and bees and everything that I'm doing here. From the bottom of my heart, thank you, all of you. I appreciate the time and I hope you continue watching the videos here. The future plans for the channel is still the same, to continue to bring more and more videos about honeybee research and find ways to translate the information into practical, useful advice to beekeepers worldwide. For example, I am working right now in a video to talk about the new publication from the USDA in Baton Rouge describing the development of a varroa mite-resistant honeybee. It was a request from my patrons of this channel and I'm very excited with the results I saw from the article. After the war in Ukraine started, I was very sad thinking about the amount of work and resources the Russian Beekeeping Federation put together and now wasted, and the consequences for the beekeeping industry in Russia. Heartbreaking, and I thought Apimondia would be cancelled this year. I really thought Apimondia would be cancelled. Fortunately, the Apimondia team did not mess around at all and moved very fast to find another location for the event. The new location in Istanbul, in Turkey, from August 24 to 28, and I cannot wait to be back in Istanbul. I would like to invite everyone to support the event, if possible in person. Please visit the Apimondia website for more information about that. I have only good things to say about my experience in Istanbul. Gorgeous, safe, full of history and beekeeping culture. If you want to see more of this, I posted a longer version of this video on my Patreon so you can have a bigger, better feeling about the environment there. I am going to Apimondia again this year making videos, and I am curious to know what would you like to see from the event. Are you curious about the vendors? Are you curious about the beekeeping culture in Turkey or something else? Please let me know in the comment section so I can bring relevant information for you. I made a playlist of all the videos I made about Apimondia in the past and you can find it right here. I would like to give a special thanks to my Patreons. Thanks for watching InsideTheHive.tv, the show about bees. See you guys next week.